Fable Roman 2. Fable Roman 2. Terraria. Sniper Elite 4. Sniper Elite 4. Quantum Break. Quantum Break. Gears of War 3. Gears of War 3. Sunset Overdrive. Sunset Overdrive. Metro Last Light Redux. Metro Last Light Redux. State of Decay 2. State of Decay 2. Hitman. Hitman. Gears of War Ultimate Edition. Gears of War Ultimate Edition. Mass Effect. Mass Effect. Human Fall Flat. Human Fall Flat. Gears of War 4. Gears of War 4. Halo 5 Guardians. Halo 5 Guardians. Sea of Thieves. Sea of Thieves. Wolfenstein: The New Order. Wolfenstein: The New Order. Oblivion. Oblivion. Fallout 3. Fallout 3. Star Wars: Knights of the Old Republic. Dune. Dune. Rocket League. Rise of the Tomb Raider. Forza Horizon 4. Forza Horizon 4. Halo: The Master Chief Collection. The Outer Worlds. The Outer Worlds.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.